Hi, how are you? A lot of people don't like spinach. Today we're going to do a tasty recipe. We need a pack of spinach, mozzarella, tortilla, milk with a spoon, corn flour, olive oil, few onion and garlic powder, salt, and nutmeg. Let's get started. Add few oil, then the spinach, add the spices, mix together. Once heated, add the milk. And mix it. Once it's thickened, remove from heat. Get a muffin tray and spread some oil. Bring one tortilla and cut it into 4. And place it like this. Add some spinach and mozzarella. Once you're done, put it in the oven for 10 minutes. If some spinach are left, put it on one tortilla. And add some mozzarella. And close it with one tortilla. Add it to a pan with some oil. Then flip it. It looks yummy. It tastes delicious. Bye.